Welcome to Memobrick. Turn memories into art. Build your own bricked mosaic. Turn your memories into an art piece made of colorful bricks. This experience brings together friends and families to assemble a brick picture together. For every little moment, there's a little brick. Whether you get one as a unique birthday gift, a treat for the kids, a fun activity for the whole family, or something special to commemorate a new living space, every Memobrick tells a story. Build your memories brick by brick with our easy-to-use photobrick kits, and watch as your favorite photos come to life in stunning colors right before your eyes. Having designed it yourself, you can rest assured that each Memobrick is a one-of-a-kind artwork that is guaranteed to become the talking point of your home. Visit the official website at mymemobrick.com and see how Memobricks make unforgettable gifts. Become our partner and profit from our experience. Click the link below this video and join our affiliate program today. Earn up to 10% commission for every successful referral.